How to fix Elden Ring black screen on startup. 1. Restart your graphics driver by a keyboard shortcut, Windows key plus left control plus left shift plus D. 2. Update Windows. Update the GPU's drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Run SFC scan. 5. Run the game, Elden Ring.exe, with administrator rights and disable full screen optimization. Like this. 6. Disable the Xbox game bar. 7. Check the integrity of game files on Steam. Like this. 8. Disable Steam overlay. 9. Disable the full screen mode. Enter window into Elden Ring launch options. 10. Allow Elden Ring.exe, to discrete GPU. Like this. 11. Disable the iGPU, say Intel HD, Intel UHD, or a Radeon HD unit. 12. Uninstall then reinstall the game.